Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a unboxing slash review video on the Phomemo thermal ink printer. This is what the little gadget looks like. I did take it out of the box, but I have not unwrapped it. This is the box that it comes in. It kind of reminds me of the iPhone boxes. And you see here that it says scan, print images, horizontal printing, create a to-do list, print Word documents. And you can use the iOS, the Android, Bluetooth, and it's a lithium battery. And I got the pink one, but they also have a selection of colors like pure white, a mint blue, and a piano, which is pretty cool. So of course I chose the pink. You guys know I love me some pink. I also got the printer paper, which is also adhesive paper in white. They are also sold on Amazon. I'll have their links down below, as well as a coupon code. You get your little instructions paper and your little flyer. And yeah, you guys, let's get into this. You get your little USB. So we are going to try this out. First, I want to set it all up, and then we'll go into the app on my iPhone. So let's see what we got here. We're going to see if the instructions are as easy as it looks, because it pretty much looks very self-explanatory. So it tells you the product description on one side. You got the warranty on the opposite side. It tells you exactly where everything is. So this is your paper exit. Shut my iPad off. Your paper exit. This right here, this way, is the open cover switch. This is the power button. And then you have the USB interface and your, yeah, that's it, the paper exit. So on the power, you have the green light. When it's the green light is steady, it's standby and it's charging complete. When the flashing light is green, well, the green light is flashing, it's charging. And when it's a steady red light, it's fault, meaning out of paper. And when it's a flashing red light, it's low battery. So steady green light, we got standby, flashing green light, charging, steady red light, out of paper, and flashing red light, low battery. That's pretty simple. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then let's see what we're going to do here. So I already have the app on my phone, but we're going to add the paper. So we are going to open it up, and it has a roll inside. So we're going to take this off. And this is a black and white ink-free printer. So it doesn't use any ink. It's kind of like some photoreactive. Okay, so it says our paper is supposed to go like this. And hopefully I am in frame. Yes, I am. Okay, so it says it goes like this. Place the paper roll into the printer and straighten the paper as shown in the picture. So it gives you the diagram of what you should be doing, which is amazing. And then you're going to want to just snap it back down. Pretty cool. And then I guess we're going to turn it on. So steady green light is ready to go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the app and attempt to print something, guys. Let's print something. Okay guys, so now we're going into the app, which looks like this, pretty in pink. And when we go in, we see all these options. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to check it all out. We're gonna see the little menu, which is Halloween first. Look at all these cool Halloween clip arts. So fun. Then we have comic. We have all these pretty images. So we get pretty much a lot of options. We have study here. Look at that. Stapler, music notes. We have that cute little painter's palette. Then we have lace. So we have a bunch of little images here. We got some speech bubbles. Look at that. Look at all the options, you guys. And then we have word art that's coming up, which is perfect because they're like sentiments. So if you have horrible handwriting like me, you can use this and stick it on your card. So that's pretty cool. So now we're going to go and print an image. We're going to go on my camera roll, pick my daughter, and attempt to print this out. So once I click on her picture, that Mr. In comes up. You click that, and then you are connected. And then this comes up. I just left it on medium, but you can do fine or thick. And then you select that, and then you print. And let's see what comes out. Okay guys, after you hit print, this is what came out of the printer. It is the picture of my daughter, and look you guys, it's so cool. This is how it looks attached. So you would just tear it. Hopefully I could do it with one hand. Yes, I can. And it's kind of like, it reminds me of receipt paper. And it's kind of pixelated, so it's not like a perfect photo, but it's still super cool, you guys. And you guys can add this to your journals, your bullet journals, planners, whatever you want, lockers. So it's pretty cool that you can do pictures, and if you wanted to color them in, you can do that too. So what we're gonna do next is print out a quote and see how that comes out. So let's try that out. And here I did the same thing. I went with the same steps as I printed out the picture and printed out a quote instead from Google. It says, life is way too short for bad vibes. Heck yes. So this is pretty cool, you guys. I think it's something very fun to play with, and it's going to be perfect for a holiday gift. And yeah, thank you so much, Phomemo, for reaching out and sending this printer out to me to try out and review on my channel. You guys, all the links will be down below, so definitely go check it out. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.